So what you are going to use to be cutting your pattern should measure 13 inches by 16.5 inches. I'm just using this paper to illustrate how to cut the pattern. So what you are going to be using should measure 13 inches by 6.5 inches. So you need to fold like this. And after folding, you should go in by ½ inch and then connect it to the bottom. Then you come in with your French curve or anything circular to curve, as you can see, and then cut out. So this is the method I use in cutting this my pattern. So I just went ahead to cut out leather without measurement, but I made sure it will be wide enough to cut my pattern. I also use it to cut the black leather, making sure what I have will be wide enough after joining it to cut out my pattern. So I went ahead to join it, as you can see, and this is it after joining it. So I went ahead to use it to cut this my pattern to cut it. So after cutting out, this is what we have. So I cut another red material, as you can see, and added zip to it, and then I sewed like this. I sewed it like this and then flip it back. I added my zipper and then pushed it up, as you can see, and then sewed down and trimmed out the excess. And then I covered with this belt, and this is what we have. Now I went ahead to add this thing to make the bag more stiff, and then I added the lining and then sew round. So that's it for the front part of the bag. Then for the back, the handle measures about 2 inches by 15 inches. Of course, you know, the front and the back, I use the same pattern to cut it. And the handle, I had to cut 4 because I need 4. And then I added this stiff stuff at the middle, and then I sew it around for the two handle. I went ahead to do it like that. So this is the front, it's ready, and then I had to trim the handle, and also I'll go ahead and trim the front part of the back too. So this is what we have. So for the handle, this adjuster for school bag, I'll go ahead and add it using my belt like so, and then I'll go ahead and sew it, attach it by sewing it. I'll do that for the 2 handle, and after that I'll go ahead and use my belt to wrap the rough edge for the 2 handle. And now this is what we have after doing that. And then I went ahead to add it to the back part of the bag, and then I also attached this little belt, and then I added my lining. I'll go ahead and sew it round, and also this measures 3 by 3 inches. Just fold as I did, and then add belt, sew it like that, and this is what we have. So I'll be using this, I'll be attaching this to the side of the bag after trimming. It's actually you add it, or you use it to adjust the hands of the bag. So after trimming, this is what we have. So I went ahead to add this to the bag. Of course, you know the usefulness of it. Without it, you can't carry the bag at your back. So this is what we have. Go ahead and trim it out. Of course, our bag is almost ready. The front and the back is ready. Of course, I measured round and I used it to cut the sides of the bag. So I got about 50 after measuring round, and then I cut the base to be 30 inches and the zipper part to be 20 inches. Then the width of the side was about 4.5 inches. So I added the zipper to the zip part of the bag, then added my lining, and so. And this is what we have after sewing it. I went ahead to add the zip head. In case you don't know how to cut the side of a bag, I think I will upload a video to explain how to actually get a perfect side for your bag. Like, if you need that video, please comment that I should make it. How to perfectly get the measurement of your side. So this is it after sewing the side, and then I'll go ahead to, I've already notched it. I've notched the body too. I'll go ahead to pin it notch to notch and then sew round, and that's it. The bag would have been ready after sewing it. Now, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for now? What you they wait for? Do one now. Just press. Don't they pay money put? Just subscribe now. Please, if you like what we do here, please give us thumbs up always in our video. It helps us. Share this video so that others will have to know about this channel and benefit from it too. Share now. What you do? Just say, you know, they know they add money. You don't need to pay to do all this. Just see, I'm putting out all this content for free. Just still help me to share. At least you go use that one to help me now. You know they pay money put. And so this is our bag. Keep on supporting this channel for more useful content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video.